Now we're going to work a double crochet 5 together into the next stitch. If you've never worked this stitch before, it's kind of like making 5 double crochets, but only halfway. And in the end, you swoop around and complete all 5 together. Let me show you what I mean. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through 2. That's 1. We'll do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through 2. Do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through 2. That was 3. There should be 4 loops on your hook at this point. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2. That was the 4th one, so there should be 5 loops on your hook. One last time, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through 2. So that was your 5th one. There should be 6 loops on your hook. Now we're going to yarn over one more time and complete this stitch in one swoosh. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. And then we're going to chain 1. There you have it. That was a double crochet 5 together stitch.